Phrasal verbs Part 8. Phrasal verbs consisting of the verb look, Part 1.
It was looking at the possibility of escaping, when he opened the door. To look at means, to consider.
What were you looking around when I came back? To look around means, to search for something in a place.
She was looking after her old mother when she was sick. To look after means, to keep safe.
Our team spent a lot of time looking for a good market and finally found that. To look for means, to search for, to seek.
I'm trying not to look ahead to what will happen when he divorces. To look ahead means, to consider the future.
He was looking forward to the weekend. To look forward to means, to feel pleased about something that is going to happen.
It was really a bad experience when I look back on it. To look back on means, think about past events.
He looks down on people who haven't been to college. To look down on someone means, to regard someone with a feeling of superiority. Listen to the story carefully. Notice how to use phrasal verbs in sentences. If you don't understand, repeat the previous part.
Last month's story. James lost his job last month. His boss looked down on him, and he didn't like that, so he left his job. He thinks it wasn't such a bad decision when he looks back on it. They are looking after Eddie's children. His best friend, Eddie, died in a car accident with his wife last month, so James should look at getting more money they need. Now he is looking for a new job. He always looks ahead in life, so he looks around for new experiences. One of his friends promised him to get a new job, so he looks forward to the next month.
Irregular verbs. List 3.
Bare infinitive or simple form compared with past form.
Become.
Became.
Cost.
Cost.
Draw.
Drew.
Eat.
Ate.
Find.
Found.
Get.
Got.
Hit.
Hit.
Keep.
Kept. Laid.
Hurt.
Hurt.